Okay, we're going to look at quadratic equations part 3. Okay, so these ones are just a wee bit trickier, but with a bit of repetition we'll get there with them. Okay, so the first one, let's go with 2x squared plus 13x plus 15 equals 0. Okay, so we need to solve this equation. Okay, so this one is different because there's a 2 at the front here. Just follow the steps. Here's how you do these ones, right? You get the number at the front and the number at the back. You multiply them together. 2 times 15, and that'll give you 30. You put that number up at the side and you write it down. You're now looking for two numbers that multiply to give 13, and multiply to give 30 and add together to give 13. So if you think about numbers that multiply to give 30, that's 1 and 30, there's 2 and 15, there's 3 and 10, and there's 5 and 6. Now which pair adds together to give 13? It's definitely 3 and 10. Okay, so your next move, you'll get used to these after doing a few, is to put plus 3 in there, and then plus 10 in there. Next thing is you drop that 2x down into there, and you also drop it into there. Okay. Now my next move is see if I can factorise further. Now, can I take a common factor from 2 and 3? Well, you can't because there's no common factor there, but I can take a common factor from 2 and 10. That common factor is 2. So what I can do then is divide this one by 2. So 2 into 2x goes x times, and 2 into 10 goes 5 times. Can't do it with the first bracket, so I just write it down again. Okay, so that means 2x plus 3 could be 0, or x plus 5 could be 0. Bring that over, change its sign. 2x could be minus 3, and x could be minus 3. Bring that down, divide over 2. And that could be x equals minus 5. Okay, just let's go over that one again. You get the number at the front and number at the back, you multiply them together, you get 30. You're looking for two numbers that multiply, give 30, add together to give 13. So let's list them: 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. The one that worked was 3 and 10. So you write plus 3, you write plus 10. You put 2x in there, and you put 2x in there. Okay, then you see if you can factorise it any further. So from 2 and 3 I can't take any factors, so I'll leave that bracket the way it is. But from 2 and 10 I can take 2, so I divide by 2. 2 into 2x goes x, 2 into 10 goes 5, and then you take it from there. Let's try an example 2. Okay, example 2. 2x squared plus 9x plus 4 equals 0. Okay, so 2 times 4 gives me 8. So write that number on the side. Two numbers that multiply give 8 and add together to give 9. Okay, so what's the numbers that multiply give 8? 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Which pair adds together to give 9? It's 1 and 8. So plus 1 plus 8. Same again as last time, drop 2x in there and drop 2x in there. Okay, first bracket, I can't take any other factor out, so it's just 2x plus 1. But the second bracket, from 2 and 8, I can take out the highest common factor of 2. So let's divide that by 2. 2 into 2x goes x times, and 2 into 8 goes 4 times. That means 2x plus 1 could be 0, or x plus 4 could be 0. 2x could be minus 1. Bring the 2 down, divide minus 1 over 2. Or x equals minus 4. Okay, example 3. Example 3, I've got 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. 3 times 2 is 6. Two numbers that multiply give 6 and add together to give 5. Well, 1 times 6, 2 times 3. So which one works? It's definitely 2 and 3. Notice how I'm following a pattern here. Plus 2, plus 3. Drop 3x in there and also drop 3x in there. Okay, first bracket. From 3 and 2 I can't take anything, so that's still 3x plus 2. From the second bracket I can take out a common factor of 3. 3 into 3x goes 1x, and 3 into 3 goes 1. So now we've got 3x plus 2 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. That's 3x equals minus 2, and x equals minus 2 over 3, or x equals minus 1. Final answer. Okay, example 4. 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. Two numbers that multiply give 6, add together give 7. Well, there's 1 and 6, 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Which one works? 1 and 6, 1 times 6 is 6, 1 plus 6 is 7. Just follow this pattern each time. Plus 1, plus 6. Drop 3x in here and drop 3x in here. Okay, first bracket, I can't take anything from 3 and 1, no common factor, so I write it down again. But from the second bracket, from 3 and 6, I can take 3. So 3 into 3x goes x, and 3 into 6 goes 2. 3x plus 1 could be 0, or x plus 2 could be 0. 3x could be minus 1, x could be minus 1 over 3, or x could be minus 2. Okay, example 5. This time 4x squared plus 13x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Two numbers that multiply give 12. Add together to give 13. Well, two numbers that multiply give 12. It could be 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Which pair works? It's definitely 1 and 12. Plus 1 plus 12. Drop the 4x in there and drop the 4x in there. Okay, first bracket. From 4 and 1 I can't take anything, so I write that bracket down again. But from 4 and 12 the highest common factor is 4. 4 into 4x is x, and 4 into 12 is 3. Okay, so 4x plus 1 could be 0, or x plus 3 could be 0. Okay, so bring that over. 4x could be minus 1, or x could be minus 3. Bring the 4 down, divide. X could be minus 1 over 4, or x could be minus 3. Okay, example 6. 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 equals 0. 2 5s are 10. Two numbers that multiply give 10, add together you get 11. Well, numbers for 10, 1 times 10, 2 times 5, it's definitely 1 and 10. Plus 1 plus 10. Drop 2x in here, drop 2x in here. First bracket, I can't factorise it any further. But from the second bracket, well, I can't take it from 2 and 1, but from the second bracket, from 2 and 10, I can take 2. So 2 into 2x goes x, and 2 into 10 goes 5. Okay, so that's 2x plus 1 could be 0, or x plus 5 could be 0. So that's 2x could be minus 1, x could be minus 1 over 2, or x could be minus 5. Okay, example 7. 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. 3 times 1 is 3. Two numbers that multiply give 3, add together give 4. So combinations for 3, well it's just 1 and 3. Okay, so plus 1 plus 3. Drop 3x in here, drop 3x in here. Okay, first bracket I can't take out any more common factors, but from the second bracket I can take out a common factor 3, 3 into 3x goes x, and 3 into 3 goes 1. Okay, so 3x plus 1 could be 0, or x plus 1 could be 0, 3x could be minus 1, x could be minus 1 over 3, or x could be minus 1. Okay, so have a go at these 5 for tomorrow.